Guys, I know I have not uploaded a video in a long time, but I'm back. And in today's video, I'm going to show you a technique you can try to stretch your curls. As you know, curly hair, once it air dries, you get shrinkage. What I usually do to add length to my hair or stretch my curls is I'll go in with my flat iron and I will straighten my roots only. So that's about 2 inches of each section of my roots. This video that I came across from the Glams Twins YouTube account, she essentially does the same thing where you add heat to your roots only, except she doesn't use a flat iron. She'll go in with her blow dryer and stretch each section and hold heat onto it. So that's what I'm gonna try and see how that works and if I prefer that technique over the flat iron or if it's the same results. So I'm gonna go ahead and give it a try and show you all the results. The blow dryer that I'm using is the Remington brand, and I'm using this little piece that comes with it. It just helps direct the heat into one specific area. In the video, I'm going to try and link in the description. She says that your hair should be about 85% dry. Okay, I just finished stretching out my curls. I did not do the top section so that I can keep the curl definition, but here's the result. I do think it works. My hair does appear longer and I still have my curl definition. I did use my highest heat setting on my blow dryer. Soon I plan on recording another video where I will use my flat iron in my root area instead, so you can see the results of stretching your curls that way too. I hope this video helps you. Please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching. Bye!